Miss Grand Philippines Nikki Demora failed to enter into the top 20 semi-finalists of Miss Grand International 2023. Nakakalungkot that with her beauty, confidence, and talent ay talaga namang hindi napasama ang ating pambato ng Pilipinas sa Miss Grand International semi-finalist. Nakita rin sa IG story ni Nikki ang pagkadismaya at kalungkutan sa nangyari sa kompetisyon. Ito ay ang paglalagay ng X or unplace sa Team Philippines for the year 2023 in various pageants. Nakakalungkot man pero naniniwala kami sa inyong kakayahan. Whatever happens, the Philippine representative gave her best at talaga namang nakita natin kung gaano siya ka-dedicated and her passion to win the Miss Grand competition. Bagaman hindi napasama sa panalo ng Miss Grand ang ating kandidata, we are still looking for a brighter future dahil bata pa si Nikki. At her age, 19 years old, marami pa ang pwedeng mangyari sa kanyang buhay. Nakakita rin natin siya as a future Miss Universe Philippines, kung kaya't apakaabangan natin ang susunod na mga pasabog ni Miss Nikki Demora, our Miss Grand Philippines 2023. Thank you so much for waving our flag into the Miss Grand competition, and thank you so much for giving your best and made Filipino proud.